On the behalf of Guru KPO, I am presenting a lecture on the topic of law of supply. First of all, we discussed that what do you mean by the law of supply. Law of supply is when the prices is up, the quantity supply is rises. When the prices is going down, the quantity supply is going down. It means there is a positive relationship between the price and the quantity supply. When the prices rise, then producer produce more quantity and supply more quantity. When the price is going down, then producer produce less quantity and supply less quantity in the market. With the help of example, we understand the law of supply. Here we show that this table shows the positive relationship between the quantity supply and price. First, price is given here. Second, quantity supply is given here. Price is 10, quantity supply is 10. When prices increase from 10 to 20, then quantity supply is also increased from 10 to 30. Then again 20, 30, then again from 13 to 20. Then prices again rise from 13 to 40. Then quantity supply is also again rise 20 to 25. In concluding word, we can say that there is a positive relationship between the quantity supply and the prices. When the prices rise, then quantity supply is increases. When the price is reduced, then quantity supply is reduces. But law of supply is possible on the basis of some assumptions. These assumptions are: first one is there is no change in income. It means there is no change in the income of producers. Second one is no change in the technique of production. There is no change in the technique of production. If new techniques is come, it means producer produce their goods at the low cost. If they produce at the low cost production, then they produce more quantity at the lesser price. That's why there is no change in the technique of production. Third one is no change in transportation cost. If there is change in transportation cost, it means law of supply is not occurring or not applicable, because transportation cost increase the cost. If transportation cost increase, then it increase the overall cost. If it reduce, then it decrease the overall cost. It affects our supply of the product. Now the fourth one is cost of production is remain unchanged. There is no change in transportation cost. If transportation cost is reduced or increased, it affects our supply of the product. Now the fourth one is cost of production be unchanged. There is no change in the total cost of production. There is no change in the wages, interest and other expenses. Those who are increase our cost. If our cost is increases, then it affects the supply of production. Now the fifth one is fixed scale of production. There is no change in the scale of production. It remains the fixed, then the law of supply is applicable. Now the next is sixth, that is the price of other goods should remain constant. Price of other goods should remain constant. If other goods prices is reduces, then the producer more attract to produce those goods whose prices are less, because they want to earn maximum profits. So there is no change in the other goods prices. Now the last one is no change in government policies. Government policies mean fiscal policy or the monetary policies. These policies are also affect the producer's supply. So there is no change in the government policies. So now finally we make the diagram with the help of this market supply schedule. On the O-axis we take the quantity supply. On the OY-axis we take the price. Prices are 10, 20, 30, 40 and the quantity supply are 10, 13, 20, 25. Here we take the gap of 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. When we make the diagram, then we find out that there is a upward sloping. The graph is going to be a upward. In concluding words, we can say that the supply curve is upward supply curve. Why this happened? Because there is a positive relationship between the quantity supplied and the prices. So in final or concluding word, we can say that The law of supply says that there is a positive relationship between the quantity supplied and the prices. If the prices increases, then quantity supplied increases. If the prices reduces, then quantity supplied reduces. For the further details, please visit our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.